What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a socket set, and this is a impact socket set. This is good if you need to take off your tires. All right, very quick. You don't have to bring a big toolbox with you. Only thing you will need is your impact. And here we go. It looks nice and new. So there we go right there. So the last time I reviewed any sockets on this channel, it was the Milwaukee set. It was on sale last year, Black Friday. I think that's the last time I reviewed any sockets. So I haven't bought tools in a while. I have a lot of old tools, you guys, that I want to get rid of them. I even want a new toolbox, so I'll be getting a new toolbox soon, maybe from Harbor Freight. I'm looking at the US General. If y'all know any sites that sell some good toolboxes at a decent price, some good toolboxes at a decent price, then yeah. But these are 2-in-1 sockets, your standard and metric. So you have 17 and 19 right here, 3/4, 13, 16. What you got? 21, 22. Come on, blurriness. Let's go. All right, so you have your 21, 22 right there. And then you have 7/8, 5, not 5, 7/8, 7/8 and 15/16. Sorry, can't even talk. All right. Now, I am not sure if this will rub off in the future. So I will be testing this out for y'all just to test out the, just to test out the integrity, I guess. But I will be testing these out. I will use it on the tire just to take the lug nut off and then put it back on. These are, once again, 2-in-1, so you can use one side and then use the other side. So this is how they hook up, just in case you never hooked this kind up before. So you have the ball right here, the opening, and you have your ball right there. So you just want to line it up. That way it can lock in, and it's locked in. So don't know if you can see it, but the ball is right there. So that's how you do it. And then you just pull it to take it out. It's a little hard to get off, but you just have to pull hard. All right. So for the most part, what I be using is, I think it's 17, it's either 17 or 21. It depends on your car. We are going to go ahead and test out this socket, and I'll see y'all in the garage. All right, you guys, so we have the socket set right here. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. And I believe for this Toyota Camry right here, I think it's a 21. Let me see. Yeah, 21. 21 is what I usually use. If you haven't used nothing like this, I'm going to show you. So you go ahead and put your extension in. Once you put it in, you're good to go. Just make sure it fits inside of the hole right there. You match the ball up to the hole. All right. And then you put it on your impact. And that's it, you guys. Nice, simple, and easy. You don't need a big tool socket set like I bought, like the Nikio set. You don't need that set. You don't need the Milwaukee set that I just purchased. This little set right here will set you free to get the job done. So you just put it on. And there you go. So whoever put the tire on, put it on very tight. I'm going to put that back on. All right. So everything should be good to go with that, you guys. And that will be it. All right. So you just take it back off. Of course, that will be hard to come off. All right. There we go. Need to put some WD-40 on that. All right. So there goes the socket set. All right. And that will be it, you guys. Keep this in your trunk and keep your impact in your truck or your car. Keep it in your trunk, not your truck. All right. So keep your socket set. Keep your socket set in your trunk. Keep your impact in your trunk. That way it's easy to take off tires, take it off, be done with it, put it back on, and good to go. You don't need a big socket set. All right, so that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.